हाय गाइस, वेलकम एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज मैं आपको दिवाली मेकअप दिखाने वाली। दिवाली मेकअप सिंपल एंड इजी, दैट टू जो आप लगा सकते हैं, प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल है, जो आप दिवाली पे लगाएंगे उसके बारे में बात करेंगे। दिवाली है, फेस्टिव सीज़न है। फेस्टिव सीज़न पे मेकअप थोड़ा सा तो लगाना बनता है। आफ्टर ऑल हम थोड़ा सा तो मेकअप लगा ही सकते हैं। वो थोड़ा सा मेकअप जो आप सिंपल और इजी वे में लगा सकते हो, हम उसके बारे में बात करेंगे। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। तो सबसे पहले लेट्स पिन माय बैंग्स। सो अब मेरे बैंग्स पिन हो चुके हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द प्राइमर। सो आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई माई प्राइमर बाय NYX Angel Veil. This is a really good primer. So pea size of primer is enough. So let's start. So applying with my T-zone. And spread it to your face. So this primer actually blurs your pores. This is also affordable, so this is a really good option. So next we are going to apply foundation. So I'm going to apply a lightweight foundation by Maybelline Fit Me. When you apply this foundation, this is weightless on your skin, and when you apply it, you can carry it whole day. Taking a little amount on back of your hand, taking a sponge, also taking a mirror, dot this foundation all over your face. A few dots of this foundation is enough. So taking my beauty blender, just dab on your skin. Your neck is really important, so do include your neck. अभी जो फाउंडेशन लगाया है वो अभी मैंने शेयर टू लाइट कवरेज फाउंडेशन लगाया है। ऑब्वियसली इसको बिल्डअप कर सकते हैं, इसको थोड़ा और एक और लेयर लगा के इसको मीडियम कवरेज टू फुल कवरेज फाउंडेशन भी कर सकते हैं, बट दिस इज़ ओके फॉर द प्रैक्टिकल लुक, बिकॉज हमें इतना ज़्यादा फाउंडेशन नहीं चाहिए होता प्रैक्टिकली। नेक्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई माई कंसीलर बाय मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन। इसको इनर कॉर्नर्स ऑफ द आईज, on the corners of the eyes, also inner corners again, and the corners on the nose, near the lips, chin, cupid's bow, and the nose, including your forehead. That's it. Now we need to blend. So taking the same sponge, just blend, blend, blend. Just dab, dab, dab. Applying concealer over here, here and here gives you a lifted look, as you can see on my face. Little coverage on my nose and my forehead. Next, I'm going to apply my loose powder by K Beauty. Taking the powder and the brush, just dab and start by applying under eyes, your nose, your face, and your forehead. So little is enough. Cover your neck too. Next, I'm going to take my palette by Smashbox and I'm going to contour with it. Taking this color, taking my brush. So under your cheekbone, apply your product. If you have heavy face, then contour up till here. Same goes here. Just pull it upwards. Next, you're going to apply on your forehead. A little bit. If you have a smaller forehead, then apply a little bit. If you have elongated forehead, then just apply up till here. So this much part should be covered. But if you have shorter forehead like me, then you should cover it a little bit so that your hairline matches with your foundation. Applying on my jawline. Little bit on your nose. So now that contouring is done, so let's go for the eyes. So next I'm going to apply my eyeshadow by Makeup Revolution. I'm going to wear olive and pinkish orange suit. So I'm going to apply this color. So starting from the corners of my eyes. This is a pretty eyeshadow with olive and a golden tint to it, so it's looking really pretty. So next I'm going to apply this white color on the inner corners of my eyes. On my eyebrow bone. And a little bit of golden in the middle of my eyelid. So next I'm going to apply my eyeliner by Maybelline. I'm going to apply my kajal by L'Oreal. Apply this kajal, मैं काजल को 3/4 लगाती हूँ. So next I'm going to apply my eyelashes by PAC. So moving on to eyebrows, I'm going to use Benefit. So taking a spoolie, just brush it out. This evens out the product. Just fill in the gaps. Don't make it too darker. And just comb with the spoolie. This will even out the product. So it's a blush time. So let's go for the blush. So I'm going to take my blush, apply this blush, just dab a little. So I started from the middle of my cheeks and to the end. Don't worry if your blush is too much, because this is the product which oxidizes the first. So when you apply a blush, it oxidizes and it just fades away. So apply a blush 2 to 3 times darker, so that blush neutralizes itself and it becomes normal to the skin which you want it. If your blush is too much, then just take your powder brush and just wipe it off. I'm going to apply this highlighter. Apply on the higher cheekbones. A little bit is enough. On your nose and on the bridge of your nose, on your cupid, on your chin. Let's come to the lipstick. So I'm using lip liner by Miss Claire. Fill in your lips with lip liner. So I am going to apply my lipstick by Maybelline. This is in shade 660. And I'm done for the makeup. So next I'm going to get ready with my outfit. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. I have paired this beautiful makeup with olive green anarkali and a peachish orangish dupatta with a gota patti work, and I have paired a little bit with my earrings. So this was a simple easy makeup. आपको ये दिवाली makeup कैसा लगा? Please comment में ज़रूर बताइएगा. Do like, share and comment. Please subscribe to my channel. Do hit the bell icon. Till then, love you guys. Bye. Have a safe